HubDoc is an app that is co-owned or owned completely by Xero now, and it's free with most Xero subscriptions. Basically, the purpose of the app is you can upload copies of your expenses, your purchases, any costs for the business. HubDoc then scans the invoice or the receipts and picks up key data like dates, amounts, person it's invoiced from, and it pre-populates, pushing this information to Xero to save you manually typing it in every time. So it comes in a couple of formats. You can use the web app, which is what I'm showing you just now, or you can use the phone app as well, which lets you quickly take a picture of your receipt or your invoice on the go. Now, when you access your HubDoc account, which is what I'm showing you here, there's a couple of things just to double check. So first thing to do is click on the cog at the top right and click on integrations. Now over here at the right hand side, I've got publish tax data ticked. So this is for if I'm VAT registered. If you're not VAT registered, untick that. I can see here I'm connected to Xero, which is exactly what I want, and just make sure it's your company name that's showing here. Now, if you need to add other people to this account, you can do that in here by clicking on users and add their email address. Select accountant and bookkeeper, and it just means that they can upload all invoices and also code them. If you only want them to be able to upload, just select upload only. Manage accounts, you can see your list of suppliers and these will pull through from Xero. And the good thing with this is you can click into a supplier and set up some defaults. So if you always want them to go to a certain nominal code, you can select that from a drop down. Or if you always want them to be tagged with a certain property, you can do the same here. So to actually upload a document, click on upload document and you can either drag a file in or click the browse button and select it, upload from your phone, or there's an email address here that you can forward any invoices that you receive through an email directly to this email address. So copy that address and save it. This will be custom to you. If you have a document that's got multiple invoices in it, so one page per invoice, click multi-page PDF split and it will split each page into a new invoice. So once you've uploaded your invoice, HubDoc will start to scan it and you will see them listed at the left-hand side here. So it will start picking up key data like supplier name, invoice reference, the date, the amount. Down here we have the Xero section. So what you'll see initially when you come in here is this screen here, and none of these fields will be pre-filled. If you're on the starter Xero package, I would recommend just always selecting the spend money option if it's something you've already paid for, and only select purchase if you've not yet paid for the item. So select purchase or spend money and go through this form and fill it out. So your account code is what category the cost's for, and then your property is your tracking categories. In this description, pop in what the invoice was for. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same as what's listed on the invoice, but make it really clear. So if you're getting flooring for a certain company and it's loads of gobbledygook as to the reference numbers for the specific flooring, just put in here flooring for X property. Click publish and that will post through to Xero.